Alright guys, so we're here in Sandy Bay in Jamaica, as you can see. I know the last video you saw of me, we were traveling all over to New York and Boston and whatnot, but we arrived in Jamaica. I have some co-workers from the US and Tunisia visiting here in Jamaica, and we are giving them a little tour. We're traveling today from Montego Bay to Negril, and we're going to Rick's Café and whatnot. We just had a week of work, but now it's time to have some fun. We're getting some lunch here, and then we'll continue on the road.
This is tasty.
Oh man, the view is just so fantastic here. I miss this so much. It's really good to be back in Jamaica. We're leaving the restaurant on the seaside here, and we're continuing our journey to Negril. Right, we're in Bulls Bay, stopped to take in the view, and of course what's really nicer here is the water. So pretty. What do you think, Sarah? It's good?
Amazing.
It's amazing. That Negril scenery you just saw, that happened a few days ago, and we're continuing our trip in Jamaica, showing Fakhreddine around. On our way to Portland, we stopped here to take in the scenery with the road and all those coconut trees in the background there. Alright, so let's continue the trip. So we're here in Portland, and that's Monkey Island behind us. You know, we just stopped at the side of the road to take it in. On our way to Reach Falls. I mean, look at that. Alright, so we're finally here at Reach Falls. It is so far, but we're here. And we're walking down. There's Fakhreddine. He's already heading down. He saw the clear water. He's excited. At Reach Falls, and we are starting the climb up the waterfall. That's it behind us there. Continuing our hike up Reach Falls. I'm always amazed at how clear this water is. You know, it's like spring water coming down from the mountains, and the guide was telling us there's also minerals like copper in the water. You'll see some red rocks behind us. That's the garden of the copper. We've reached that part where we come off the river, and we're walking on the riverbank, heading up to the big cave. So we're on the top of Reach Falls. We're actually on top of the cave, and we're going to use that hole to jump in the major cave. Should be pretty good. was the river hike up to the cave, and now we're off the river. We're heading up the nature part, and we're going to go back down by the big waterfall. We just finished with Reach Falls, and we continue the adventure on the way, and we'll see if we get something to eat. We're here at a seaside restaurant and we're getting something to eat before we head down the road again. Take a look at the view. Good morning, guys. We spent a night at this hotel in Portland, and the road leading up to the hotel has this nice art painted all along the walls. It's really cool, you know? Alright guys, we're in the Blue Lagoon and we're touring. These are the Blue Lagoon villas behind us. As our guide is telling us, it's owned by the rich and famous in Jamaica. It's very expensive to rent out for the night. But take a look at how clear that water is. Monkey Island. We took video and whatnot from that point up there, and now that we're here on the actual island, as you can see, it's separated from the mainland. Now, part of the movie Night and Day, starring Tom Cruise and Cameron Diaz, was filmed here, and another part in Blue Lagoon, no, not Blue Lagoon, in Frenchman Cove, where we'll be going next. Alright, a very short stop in Monkey Island, but we're heading out again. Still in Blue Lagoon. We just took the boat ride and now we're walking to the back by the spring, the freshwater spring. This is where the fresh water comes down and runs into the ocean, and that's why the Blue Lagoon, you know, it has a mix of cold and warmish water. The ocean water is warmish and the spring water coming from the mountains, of course, is cold. This is the mineral spring, the freshwater spring, right on the edge of Blue Lagoon. That's Blue Lagoon in the back there, and they built this wall to collect the fresh water when it flows down from the mountain. Alright, we're in Frenchman Cove. Well, that's the fresh river behind us. It's just a little bit down from where we were in Blue Lagoon, so I'm going to take it in. Frenchman Cove. That's the beach behind us. Oh man, I just love this beach. It's a nice little cove. The beach is very small, but it is so picturesque. You can't really see it, but on the other side there, the freshwater river runs into it.
Remember to like the video and subscribe. Bye.